Good morning, and I would say welcome to July. And today we're gonna talk about we have new administration, but also we're gonna have a good news. And say one of great achievements right now is congratulations to Mactan Cebu International Airport for bagging the seventh best, most improved airport in the world based on Skytrax. Skytrax is the Oscars of the aviation industry, and it's a big achievement na marabag na recognize ang one of our very own airport, which is the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Diba? Congratulations, seventh most improved out of 575 that joined. That were included in the surveys. That includes mga baggage handling, mga check-in times. Number 7 sa kalibutan. Diba? So imagine, most improved, diba? And of course, Mactan Cebu International Airport continuously is our pride, diba? Pride na sa Cebu. In reality, we really have one of the best airports, especially when you compare compared to our local. If you want to see all the airports in the Philippines, local airports, Manila to Siargao to Davao, layo nasa Mactan Cebu International Airport, especially for international travelers, diba? Even domestic travelers, lahira kuan kaayo. Even lang ba the way it looks, the retail, the service, the smile, even ang crew, ang mga nagtrabaho diha, diba? Maka-proud kayo kung nagtrabaho ka diha sa MCIA. And I would say is, when you travel, if you're from abroad, kahit taga saan ka man, wherever you're from, sa Pilipinas, uwi ka lang sa Pilipinas, daan ka na sa Cebu, maurag na ako ingon ako, diri mo sa Cebu agi, hassle free, very nice, very clean. May mga retail shops, makapalit ng tubig, makahigag tarong, free water, ganabang na mga water dispensers. So mga na akong ingon man na, hey, makakuhaan yun. It's an ideal airport. It's a world-class airport. It's a modern airport. Mga nang akuan, marami na akong ingon, modern siya. Ganabang makaingon ka ba na kung na-foreigner diha, di isa ka mauwaw sa Mactan Cebu International Airport. The comfort, you're waiting for your flight. Kung gutmon ka, na pagkaon, we can say mahal ba na, ngita kag barato. That airport has a 7-Eleven, diba? Diba gamay? Kung gutmon ka, diha nakasud, nakasyak, there are places like Dunkin Donuts na dili kayo mahal, diba? Mas mahal sila sa gawas, of course, mahal din yung renta diha, we understand, but compared sa other airports, the options are limited and the prices are quite high. Kanila at least branded nila, ha? Ay uban dito sa nila kung ingon asang lugar, bro. Tagpila ilang baligya 150 nga ba yan, sandwich lang ya. Why pangan ka nang muhimo lang na sandwich, diba? Marapag kuhaan tayo. If you're a passenger ba, mga dollars kayong presyo, hindi ka maikob, awas lang maikob. Pero mana ba, nakuhaan, amazing itong airport, marapag kananglan. Dapat as Cebuanos or even as Filipinos, we should be proud of this this achievement. Normally when you say Philippine airports, diba, you expect the worst. Bati or sabton lang ni nato, even if kuha na ba pila na ka years, or the government can do something about it unta, di ba? Especially when we always pride ourselves na we are a tourism country. Di ba? Then if we are a tourism country, dapat mag-start na sa itong airports. Di ba? Airport, no? Pag-abot pa lang, bati lang yung impressions tao. Oh, di ba? Or pagbiya, stressed kay ka. Oh, di ba? Asa na kong flight, mag-connecting flights, saan na nato. It could be a nice connecting spot. Gali ang Cebu, di ba? For global destinations. So, hopefully, yeah, the government, you know, will continually support our industries by upgrading our airports. So, di ba? Importante yun kaya na. I mean, yun lang kita di tanan makalupad, pero tanan naman doon makalupad, mapobre madato, lupad naman din naman magbarko, I guess. Compared before ba naman kung dato ka, ikaw rin maka-afford og aeroplano. Diba? I think karon mo may tagpadung Manila back and forth 8,000. That's practically the same price in the 1990s. So, di ba? Mo naman tina. Yet, mo na. 30 years later, maurag hapon ang presyo, more or less. Para na ako, I mean, it became cheaper. I mean, flying became cheaper. Diba? Kaysa barko. Oh, diba? And you get a lot of benefits. I mean, especially kung nagdali ka. Oh, diba? Kung di ka nagkagbagay. But of course, nahagya po itong shipping industry that we also probably have to develop. Diba? Kaya pag once sa goods, pag once sa mga produkto bisag pasahero kay naa manghapon labi na, you know, kanang mga inter-island lang ba kanang dili kay layo or dong lang og Bohol, Cebu to Bohol lang nga namang aeroplano pagka, di ba? Sahay Cebu to Surigao, and there are limited ang flights. May maning sa barko, di ba? Naara. So i-upgrade sa nato itong mga barko actually. Even our ports. Pero mana, ang point na ko ba, seaports, airports, I think kinahanglan mas turyahan na sa DOT o Department of Transportations. Kay importante man kayo na, di ba, na mura pag abot ninyo pag kuha na to, di ba? Hello there sa mga bagong opisyalis sa syudad, led by Mayor Nestor Archival, di ba? Congratulations. So parang mama na ba ato tourism ginang atong gusto. So ato ginang dapat unta i-prioritize, and we're hoping na makuha ta. And by the way, kanimon ni Pusok Village. Sad. Pusok Village, diri na nabalhin ang The Barracks. Na ang The Barracks na narado na at the end of June. So man ni Pusok Village, which will open I think mid this month. And hopefully, yes, wala. Okay rin hapon, mga tao diri. Mut lang ang mga parking and issue na, pero we'll see. We're always praying for improvements. Diba? Wala. Food, man sa daan atong tourism. Gastronomy tourism, as they say. So wala ang airport, congratulations. And of course the push for recently nag-push ni-attend ko seminar sa gastronomy tourism. I mean, it was DOT secretary, and we were talking with the chefs. There was a great a big gathering of the best culinary minds sa Cebu para sa gastronomy tourism. And ako, well, I'm all for that, but we will talk about it in a separate podcast because alam, it's a big topic. Pero man, congrats. So kaning sa carbon, manang balhin ang The Barracks, sarado na. And of course, Cebu is pushing for MICE for becoming, you know, to become one of the best MICE destinations in the Philippines. And I think we are more than capable of that with the new, kung na lang tumakitan ron, SMX Arena, SMX Arena, what else? Sarang sa Mactan, Newtown nila na ilang own convention center dito. So, wala itong hope and prayer na madayon na and we'll have more opportunities to host events. Kasi kanang diligid kanang open to the public like professional events like mga conventions sa mga doktor, because it will really greatly help our tourism industry, our hotel industry kung na mga events diri. Diba? Ako rin po ng kwan, and I think that's nice that the Cebu Businessman or the Cebu Chamber of Commerce